Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about Codex again. I use it all the time right now. It's basically a web-based coding platform. You can just ask to do some task and it does it for you. And they have like a number of revisions. You can do like 4 times revisions, which gives you 4 variation of the same task and things like that. But I use it all the time. I have like lots of containers that I work with, and I create repos for everything, and I just tell it to do some things. I use it in my mobile in the ChatGPT app, and I just tell it to do some things, and it does it for me. So it's very helpful in that case, and it does things like increase test coverage, which is running right now, integrate some third-party packages, add variations, blog post ideas. So you can just ask it things with the ask button, so you don't really have to code anything. So I just ask it for like blog ideas, and it does that, and it can create whole npm packages. So for my UI icons, I ask it to create a whole view package that looks like the React package, and it just does everything. You can create licenses, readme file, everything. So it creates all these files, and I can create publish a new view package with this. So basically, once you ask it to run something, it goes in, it copies the container, copies the repo, runs it, everything, and just uh, complete the task as you want it. So here this is done right now. So it just this thing to increase the test coverage. Yeah. So if you want things like this, do try it out. Codex. It's I think you need the plus subscription for that, but it's really worth it. I have ran like lots of things with this, so yeah, go ahead, try it out, and let me know how it goes. And that's it for this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.